6 years ago, no one thought an Indian audio app could beat Spotify or Netflix. Not in India and definitely not in US. But in FY25, Pocket FM earned 1,768 crores in revenue, and a staggering 70% of that came from international markets, mainly the United States. Think about this. While an average American spends 45 minutes a day on music apps, 70 on OTT platforms, and now they spend 110 minutes daily on Pocket FM, an Indian app originally built for commuters stuck in Gurugram traffic. That's where the story begins. Rohan Nayak, an IIT grad, was spending 3 to 4 hours daily commuting to work. Back in 2014, there was no cheap, fast internet. You couldn't stream Netflix on the go. His only options? Music or audiobooks, both limited and repetitive. But during those long rides, Rohan noticed a pattern. People wanted stories they could just listen to. No screens, no data drain, just immersive audio. He found YouTube videos with static images and voiceovers pulling millions of views, and users in comments begging for downloadable audio. Sensing the gap, Rohan teamed up with his IIT batchmate Nishant from JioSaavn and Pratik, a tech lead, to launch Pocket FM in 2018. The early days were tough. No monetization model, no proven demand, and very little traction. Still, they raised a seed round of 4 crores in late 2018, followed by a 41 crore Series A in 2020, then exploded with a back-to-back Series B and C rounds totaling 726 crores by early 2022. Their breakthrough? Charging 9 rupees per episode after first few free ones. A simple but genius move that flipped India's nobody pays narrative. And in 2022, when they casually tested English dubbed content in US, they saw something wild. Americans were listening more than Indians. 110 minutes daily compared to 90 minutes in India. That changed everything.